Hey guys, we are back for Veld day 2. I actually am walking backwards to shout out this DJ over here that's trying to get seen outside of Veld, because you can only do so much as an artist, right? Like, you can have a channel, you can do gigs, but like, this is the type of shit I really respect. Really hoping the rain holds off. I've been researching quite a bit before coming here every day. Can you bring an umbrella? Can you bring a big bag? The answer is no. They're really not playing with these locker prices. We are in. Oh, this is gonna be good. You know what? And it's not even that muddy. Awesome. I'm gonna pretend I'm not feeling a few raindrops. But as soon as you enter the festival, honestly, my excitement's picking right back up where it left off from yesterday. And the beat is already going. Now the fun part. Pretending that we're not gonna get cold. All right, let's rave. Yeah. This is why you come early. I didn't notice this before. VIP has its own food vendors. Awesome. And even regular vendors. You can just like have, I guess, an area that's less crowded. But up top there, gets packed pretty fast. The best option at Veld, an acai bowl. Look at this. Like, honestly, I'm kind of obsessed with these right now. The only raw option, there's not even a smoothie bar. It's the Nutella. I mean, the Nutella makes it not vegan, but pretty damn close. And yeah, berries, acai, like, it's, you haven't tried one of these yet? Here, have some. It's so good. Today is already getting so much more packed. There's no one at this one yet. Slightly more muddy, but I like this kind of sound. Even more food vendors over here. Like this, like I'm pretty sure they planned for this all year. Massive, massive. I don't love the third stage as much, but you can't get bored here. Like, it's wow. It's getting cold, so had to put on clothes for now, for a little bit. It's packed. Oh my god. This is actually water. Very cool. It looks like I'm being a bad girl. And no plastic. Hey. It's cool. They have like different layers to the stage too. So if it gets packed, you can just jump a layer. I don't know. Also kind of funny though, because I'm sure this helps with drink sales. So you don't feel like the odd one out. The only person not drinking, which I am completely totally fine with, but whatever. It's not raining yet, but it's starting to mist. Now it's popping over here. Looks like there's VIP levels for all 3 stages. Getting a little muddy over here. Otherwise, it's great. day. I'm not sure. Wow. It's getting intense. Holy smokes. Look at this place now. Holy smokes. It's like 6 o'clock, by the way. Like, wow. What a party. What a party. Good job, Veld. Nice to have a place to sit. However, I don't think I'm going to stay too long. Honestly, I'm kind of getting cold. And while I've taught myself to quickly get over any kind of anxiety with all the people, it could rain. And yeah, I'm just like, I feel like I've had enough. Hopefully next year it's warmer. Gosh, it was so nice yesterday. I don't exactly want to buy a sweater, so I hope you enjoyed coming to check out Veld. Probably better with friends. Don't be a loner loser like me and come alone. Like, okay, still come alone, but try and find some friends to come with. So like a group of 5, I feel would be perfect for this kind of thing. See you on the next one. Bye. Oh, babe. I'm suddenly not cold.